All right. What I'd like to show is a couple of miscellaneous tools here. Reset, update, and wave. And so what I'm going to take here is I'm going to take an existing job, and we'll take a sample here. And this is on version 27 of its template, and I just released version 28. So I have a choice. I can continue this sample job as version 27, and all is good with the world. I can also decide that I want to go ahead and update this to the most released version. And if I want to update it, it's really simple. All I have to do is hit the update job here. It's going to just warn me that if some types of steps, it could actually reset them, especially if they change the question on the step, on what its results have to be to pass. And so it'll give me that warning. And with that, I'm now up at version 28, and I have all these new tasks that I added in version 28. So now you're going to see these little symbols here every place that I have an updated step. All right, and so then I can go ahead and continue on. Now, so that's for updating. One thing that I can actually do here on these things is I can actually waive a step. So I can take these steps here. If I'm normally passing and failing, that's great. All right. Let's go ahead and get the data. All right. But what I can also do is I can also waive a step. And waiving is saying, okay, I'm not passing it, I'm not failing it. It's going to work like a pass, because I have to have authorization to do it. And if I've got authorization, this is going to be colored instead of grayed out. And I can say, okay, I'm going to waive this step. I can put in whatever reason that I want to put it in, and I can waive that step. Now what happens is I get this little double check mark here, so I know that's waived. It wasn't really passed. Another option I have on the waived steps, I didn't really mean to do that one, is I can waive multiple steps. So I can actually just say, hey, all these are waived, or even that whole section, I can go ahead and waive it. So I'll go to my remark. Maybe we'll just say already done or something. Okay, and it's going to show that I waived it, and it's going to show why I waived it. So if I look at like my punch list or something, it's going to go ahead and give the user notes that, hey, it was already done. All right, and who waived it, and this type of stuff. All right, and then it's waived instead of passed or failed. All right, so that's waiving a step. Another thing that you can actually do is you can reset. You can get halfway into this job and say, no, I really need to reset this. And so now I can go ahead and reset this, and maybe this whole section, I want to reset that. All right? I don't want to mess with these. I won't mess with these, but just this one section here, I'm saying reset. I say, hey, I'm about to reset it for all 9 steps. Yes. And now those are all reset. So now it's going to force me to go ahead and do those again. So those are just some handy tools to have for your general housekeeping. Thank you.